Carnivores. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cream cheesy chaffle. It's just 3 ingredients and it took not even 10 minutes to make. So you just need eggs, cream cheese, and a block of cheese. You want to get a block of cheese because shredded cheese has a bunch of additives and wax and preservatives to make it last longer. So shred up your own cheese, and then you're going to need a bowl for the eggs, and then of course a waffle maker. That's all. Okay, I'm going to start by shredding the cheese with my little cheese board. Someone in my last video said that it's easier to go like this sideways. I don't know, I can't tell. That's pretty simple. I can't tell which way. I think this one's more better. Okay, I think this is enough cheese. Boom. You can do however much cheese you like. Next step, you're going to want to warm up your cream cheese. You just want it to be soft so you can get it mushed up and mixed in with the eggs and cheese. I think I'm going to do 2 ounces of cream cheese. Again, you could do however much you'd like. Boom. And then I'm going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. I don't really know if that's supposed to do it that long, but I think that's fine. Cream cheese is all nice and warm, and now we're gonna let this cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna crack some eggs. I think I'm gonna do 5 eggs. These little eggs are so hard to crack. Oh gosh, these little ones are hard to crack. Boom. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of cheese. I wanna save a little bit to sprinkle on the top so that after it's cooked, I can get a little on the top and melt it. You're gonna take your cream cheese and just put it in. And then mix. Mix it all together really well. And since the cream cheese is softened, it mixes really good. You don't want it to be chunky, you just want it to be nice and smooth. Okay, I think this is good enough. This is my waffle maker. We're just gonna plug it in. Look at this. This is really nice. I've never seen one like this before. It just shuts like this. This is icky from this morning, but then you just pour it all in here, and it works out so nice. This is gonna turn green when it's ready. This is the brand I'm using. I'll try to link it below. I'm waiting for it to heat up right now, but I just wanted to say you could make this so many different ways. You could use a splash of heavy cream with eggs. You could use just eggs and butter. You can do eggs, cream cheese, and cheese. Some people add pork rinds to it, but I was not a fan of that. Usually you can't taste pork rinds, but when I made it, I don't know if I did too much pork rinds, but I wasn't a fan of that one. This is just so convenient and simple, like if you have kids and you need to make them breakfast super quick and fast. And this is great meal prep too. It tastes really good cold. These are so delicious and easy to make. Okay, while this heats up, I'm gonna clean up my mess. I'm actually gonna rinse off my plate so it doesn't harden and get all gross, and rinse this off. This in a bag for tomorrow. Green means ready, and I'm gonna pour this in here. This is the hard part because we made this at Val's house and it all came spooling out the sides. So the eggs rise, so do less than you think. Then you just pour it in. I think I'm just gonna do that much. This is what the top looks like. I can't tell if I should add more or not. Oh, see, it's rising up. I think I did a perfect amount. Uh-oh. Okay, we'll see. Stay down. Uh-oh. I see a little ginger here. I did do a little too much, but that's okay. It'll still be perfect. Now we wait. This just beeped. It said it's done. This is what it looks like. Let me grab a plate. You just pinch it right here. And look at that. This part I'm just gonna chop off. But you could cook it for however long you like. I'm gonna give this to the dog. I like mine a little crispier. Look at that. And now we have this little bit left. I'm just gonna throw it in there. Quick interruption. Did you know your skin absorbs 60 to 70% of what you put on it? At Compassionate Carnivore, we make 100% natural handmade products with ingredients you can read, pronounce, and trust. We also sell carnivore merch like the shirt I'm wearing in this video.
Oh, that's
Do you want it more crispy?
There's some like raw right there.
Yeah, that's because it didn't go all the way down.
Okay, yeah. No, it's probably fine.
Okay, let's try this. So I don't even need a fork, but I need to show you guys how if I pull it apart. It's so cheesy and gooey. Okay, cheers. Speechless. It's just the right amount of cheese. You can make it cheesier if you like, and I taste that cream cheese. It's so delicious. You can do it as crispy as you want. This is so fast and simple, and I like to make a bunch and then just keep it in the refrigerator as meal prep because it even tastes great cold. I'll try yours.
It's really hot.
I don't know if you can see that, but I just see the cream cheese in it. Yours looks better. Oh my gosh. Okay. I did like it crispier, but I say don't get it so crispy because Alyssa's isn't that crispy and you could really taste the cream cheese in it. Look at that on my finger. Dad!
Yeah, that's funny.
He's yapping so loud.
What?
You're talking so loud.
Come shut my door then.
You have a lot of cream cheese in yours. Look at that.
Alright, thank you.
Oh my gosh, that is so good. Okay, yeah, definitely cook it a little less. I made her one and it has more cream cheese in it. It's so good. And it's actually better when it's not as crispy. It's a little raw. Ooh. The cream cheese is so good. It just melts in your mouth. Like, I took a bite of hers and I got a big piece. I don't know why yours has much more than mine does.
You should just do more cheese in it. Next time.
Yeah, you can personalize it and do however you like.
Really?
Okay, well that is how you make cream cheesy chaffle. Super simple and easy. I have Ginger's hair on me. But yeah, I wish you all the absolute best. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this if you guys try it. And let me know what videos you want me to do and cook. But yeah, I wish you all the absolute best. Bye. Beep. That is so good.